Hello everybody, it's me, Naturally-Roshani, here again with another video. Today's video is going to be a busy morning, so I have a couple things today to do. So first of all, I will be washing the bathroom today. Not the bathroom, but like the bathtub again. Yes, but this time it's not as bad as last time. But yeah, so trying to keep it low maintenance. Okay, so yeah, so today I will be cleaning the bathtub. The first thing I will be doing is using this Comet bleach on the walls of the bathtub, or yes. So first of all, I actually watered the bathtub and all that good stuff, then using the Comet bleach to spread it around, make sure it sits there for a couple hours, then come back and clean. So yeah, also I'll be using the tub and tire cleaner. So that, well, I do use it on the wall because I used it last time it worked wonders, and also around the tub, like around the baseboard of the tub and all that good stuff. Then I will also be working out today. So yes, I'll be doing some laundry and also working out. So I'll probably do my workout first, then the laundry, then washing the bathtub. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please go ahead and share this video with your friends or your walls and all that good stuff, and let them know to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, guys. Deuces. Do the laundry. No, just finished doing my laundry. Well, just started doing my laundry. Well, no, put it clothes in the dryer. So I just finished working out. I'm about to go wash the bathtub, guys. So call it a day. I am sweating.
I want people still driving.
images, yeah. And it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right, 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 it ain't. You've got me all in my feelings, like I could die without you next to me. It's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like